Meet Mr. Safdar Reza. He is marketing manager in Dubai-based company. He always need perfection in his office. When his day starts after a cup of coffee. But all of a sudden, office AC stopped working. He called a building maintenance who told him that the central AC is breakdown and it will take few days to fix the problem. In trouble? No need to worry. For emergency cooling, Coolmaster is here to serve you. Welcome to Coolmaster. Tools and other materials required for installation. Flexible exhaust pipe for hot air ventilation. Window installation panel. Coolmaster technician fixing window installation kit. Applying tape to prevent air and insects from getting into the room. Drainage tray. On, off. Temperature level control. Fan speed levels. For any query, please visit www.coolmasteruae.com.